How to change Discord background PC. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the Discord background like this. From here the color will be changed as the background. So first of all, you have to know that it will only work on Discord app of your PC, and let me show you how you can change it. So you have to click on the user settings from here, and after that you have to look for the option called appearance. Here it is. You have to click on the appearance, and as you can see there are multiple options, like it's a light one, it's the ash one, it's the dark one, and it's the onyx or the black one. So you can also change other background from here, but those are not free, will not be free. You have to unlock with Nitro, and if you click on unlock with Nitro you have to pay an amount like the monthly 9.99 and yearly $99.99. So we will not do that. On free method you can just change uh, to 4 colors of the background. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.